Hello friends, today we are going to discuss this question from Spoj named Avion. So you can read the following statement and though it seems pretty complex but the question is very simple. The question statement states that there are few IDs, there are 5 IDs, and if you find FBI somewhere in those ID you have to print out its ID number. Okay, as you can see in this input only, and you have to print out the IDs in ascending order. Okay. And if there is no FBI written in any ID, then you have to print out he got away. Okay. As you can see in this input, only the first ID has FBI, no other ID has FBI, so one is printed. In this, though there is FBI, but there is one dash in between, so this is not considered FBI. So there is he got away, and there is no other FBI in it. So we can write the code. What we can do is we will first make a vector array of strings and which of size 5, and then we will take the input of the strings I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, so now we have taken the input of the strings, then we have to move through the strings and check whether there is I or not. So what we can do is we make a vector array for storing the answers of those IDs. We will make a vector array of answer, and then what we have to do is we have to iterate over those 5 IDs and then iterate over its length. J equal to 0, j is less than the size of that ith ID, s is the ith ID, and its size minus 2 because the size of FBI is 3, so minus 2, and then j plus plus. Okay, so if what we find out that s of I comma j, s of ij is equal to f, and s of I j plus 1 is equal to f b, and s of I j plus 2 is equal to I. So if all of this condition statement states true, then what we will do is we have to say this, like yes, this ID exists in the set, and then we have to just push this down, answer that pushback. What is the ID? So ID, we are doing it from 0 indexing, but we have to store it from 1, so we added 1, and yeah, so we have find it out whatever IDs are there. Then we will check if the size of this array, the final answer is equal to 0. It means there is no ID present, FBI in any ID. Then we have to print out this, or else we will have to print out, what do we print out? We have to print out the array. So what we can do is we use auto, and then we will move to the answer array and print out answer. Okay, so I think the code is ready. Yes, one is answer here, and you got it. Okay, so the code is running perfectly fine, I think so. So we can submit it and check. The code is pretty simple, as you can see. It is running, and taking some time. Yeah, so it's accepted, as you can see. The code is very pretty simple and I hope you understand the logic. If you have any doubts, please mention down in the comment box down below. I will try to rectify it as soon as possible. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this regularly on my channel. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.